Hello friends, today we will be working on find occurrence of each character of string in Java. Previously we have done with occurrence also, but for single character. If you haven't seen that, please look at that. Now let's see how this it works. Suppose just the big picture how it would work. The subscribers, the string subscribers, there's an index 0 to 10. Okay, for finding each occurrence of each characters, we need to use two loops. This for loop, we need to use two for loops, and this if character, if there's a phi for I equal to 0 and for j equal to I plus 1. That means here suppose I is 0, so we have to increment 1, okay, for j, so that's 1 over here, and we have to compare it. First that I 0 character, that's s, will get inside, and it will compare with all left all the characters after s. That means that's the index 1. Okay, this 0, so I plus 1 is 1, so it will compare with all of this. Okay, so if it finds that ch of 0, that's I, and is equal to ch of j, that means it would compare with s. Okay, this ch of I is ch of 0 is s. Okay, so keep on going with ch of j. That means j1 2 3, that's j1. Okay, j2 j3 in 3, there we found that s. Okay, that's equal, so ch of I equal to ch of j. Okay, so here it would go inside, it becomes true, the if loop becomes true, so it would go inside, and we make that ch of j, that's the 3, that's ch of j is 3 here, and the values s, we make it as empty. Okay, so that when we encounter with I as 3, so it should not be s, and it would give an error. Okay, so that's why we make it empty. So again it would go loop in loop, so 4 5 6 7, and at 10th again there's s, so again it becomes true, ch of I equal to ch of j, so again we make that ch of 10th value as empty. Okay, so now this is empty and this is empty, so like this we have to find everything. So there's an occurrence, so we would use count for counting it, how many times s occurs. Okay, so it has occurred 3 times, that's how we would go. Okay, so let's see the main program. Let's see in the program how we would do that. Let's start. This we have taken a string that's to the point, program easily. Okay, let's convert the string to char of array, character of array. So equal to str dot to char of array. Okay, char of array. If you don't know about this, you can see this. I have made a video about this. I would provide the link in the description also. And for counting, we need a variable that's count. So let's initialize it, make it 1, and we have to use two for loops, as we have to compare with I and j. Okay, we need two for loops, so its length would be str dot length method as a string, so it's method str dot length. Okay, this much is okay. Now if we would count again and again, so we have to initialize it here also, so that it keeps on resetting it, either it will keep on counting further. You have to reset it. Okay, and we don't need this empty space, we don't want to compare these empty spaces, so we will make this an if condition. If ch of I is empty, it's a char value, so we have to use a single. If it's empty, then just continue. We are using the continue keyword so that it will just jump to the another iteration. Okay, it won't do anything. Now here also in the second for loop. Okay, this is the first for loop, the second for loop. Inside this is inside the other main. There's a main for loop, and this is inside. Okay, so here also we would say if we do the same thing, if ch of j is 0. Okay, let's do this. If ch of it shouldn't be equal to this. Okay, yeah, we don't need to use continue. If ch of I is not equal to empty, okay, it's not empty character, then we would go this inside this, it becomes true. Okay, and here we would use if condition again. Here if ch of I equal to ch of j, like before we have said it, the pseudocode. If it's I equal to ch of j, okay, if this the same, then we make it what we said, that we make it empty. Ch of j, we make the ch of j as empty. Okay, and we increment the count also over here so that it keeps that counting. Okay, now this one is there. Now we have to come out this for loop. So this for loop, this if this if loop, this is the another if loop, so this is a for loop. Okay, we come out this for loop. If there we see that if count is greater than equal to 1, then it would print. Okay, or it would print, I have written this before only. It would print first occurrence of car, that's ch of I, an index, and its index value, and its count, how many times it have occurred. Okay, let's run and see it, what it shows. Let's run and see if it is right or not. Okay, there's some error, so let's find it. Here there's a I equal to 0, and we have also kept there also j equal to 0. Actually we have to give I plus 1 as its increment. Okay, and here actually we have to make j as it's inside the second loop. Okay, as you have said it before, that's the second one, it compares with the second one. Okay, it compares with the second one, but we made it by mistake, we deleted that. ch of j, did you got that? Let me say it once again. Let's run it and see whether it works or not first. Okay, now it's giving the perfect, as at 0 first seconds of character t is 2. Okay, t occurs 2 times, it's caps lock. Okay, it's t a second, that's upper lowercase. Let's make it greater than 1, so it would be less if it's repeated. Okay, without repetition, duplicate, I meant to say duplicate. Okay, if it's duplicate, then only it will show here, because we have made the count greater than 1. If it's not duplicate, if you duplicate characters, then you can say duplicate. For each occurrence, just make it this equal and it would work. Okay, let's run and see it. Yeah, this is work. Let's see it again, how it works. We made 2 for loops. Okay, I equal to 0, and incremented it 1 by 1 for j, second loop. First here we made initialize the count. Okay, we have to every time initialize it with one only, because the second time it comes, then we have to initialize the second time. If chfi is not empty, then it continues. If it's empty, then it continues, means it goes to the another iteration without doing anything. Here also, if ch of j is not equal to empty, means there should be some value over here. That character should have some value. If it's empty, then it won't do anything over here. If it's not empty, it becomes true. If it's true, if it's not empty, then if the ch of I is ch of j is 0, that means s and s is 0, that was equal, then it would make the I jth value as empty, and it count it again. Okay. We could also do this for duplicate characters. If it's greater than that, it's greater than 1, then it shows the duplicates only. See, so it could we could do this for first occurrence also and for duplicate also. But for duplicate, I will make it again if you want. But for this also, it would work. Well, the first occurrence of characters and its index, its occurrence counts, it shows the count. Okay, for the duplicate characters I've shown here. So to the points t, capital T, it comes 2 times, and the first occurrence is at 0. 0 is the index. Okay, is at 0th index. Then here O, let's O this 0 1 at index 1 it comes and counts it 3 times. So see 1, 2, and 3. That's how it goes. Okay. Thank you so much for liking, viewing it. If you want, I could make the duplicate one also, but it's the same. If you want that, I would make the all also. Please like and subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching.